Hey guys, welcome
Hi.
to. Shut up. Welcome to Darkest Before the Dawn. I know I've already uploaded a video today. That's really bright, by the way.
Okay, bye.
I know I already uploaded a video, like an update about me probably not doing a snack crate. But then I opened it up and I saw where it's from, and I saw some of these snacks, and I'm just like, okay, I've got to get this. So it's from the Philippines. Woo! This is like the 5th box I've gotten, I think. Yeah. 5th?
Yeah, that's what you said.
Yeah, anyways. That angle's really weird. Hang on. Okay, that's better. Okay. Is that your foot?
No.
Okay. Anyways, so yeah, we'll just get started. Cheese rings.
I'm gonna get smacked in the face.
You
Give me that.
Opening things is hard. Oh my god. No, Katie. No. Wait, I have scissors somewhere.
Yeah, go get the scissors.
I'm gonna go get the scissors.
Hi.
What did I do with them? Oh, here they are. Okay. I'm back with scissors. Scissors.
Oh, I got stabbed me. Oh shit.
Oh, I can smell them. Smell them.
There's only one proper way to eat these.
Whoa.
They're actually not that cheesy.
They taste kind of like cheese puffs, except sweeter.
Yeah. Kind of strange.
It's not bad though.
Like, they smell more intense than they taste.
Okay. Cheese rings. They're good. Let's try Ding Dong.
Nuts.
Mixed nuts. Garlic flavored. And there's a tear here thing, so I'm gonna... I can actually open this one! Okay. Oh. That's garlic. Don't...
Oh, I love garlic.
That is very garlic. Much garlic.
Hope I'm not allergic to any nuts.
It's like I'm eating croutons. No. I don't know if I
I
like
don't know
this.
if I'm crazy about the garlic flavor of nuts, but not bad.
Well, these ones aren't so bad. There's like a bunch of different nuts and stuff in here. Is that a pistachio, maybe?
Looks like a pea, honestly.
It's a little green nut, and I don't want to eat it. You eat it. It's green pea. They have green peas in here.
Nope.
There's like peanuts, green peas, broad beans, corn, a bunch of other stuff. What's that for not? It's actually not bad though, so. Oh gosh.
Prawn crackers.
Prawn crackers. Can I open this one? No. Did you
I
hide?
got scared. I think I should be more concerned about the scissors though.
Oh god, they stink. Smell them. Okay.
I don't know how I feel about this one.
I still have the taste of garlic nut in my mouth. It tastes like crunchy fish sticks.
No. No. See, I already hate that smell. Because when I was at work one time, like, Can't remember how it happened, but basically, it got way too warm in our walk-in, so all the shrimp we had for like shrimp night got spoiled, and it smelled like that for a, pardon my language, fucking week.
I actually like these. Like, you know the school fish sticks that they used to have all the time?
Yeah.
I just like that except like crispy.
See, I don't even like fish sticks, so.
Normally I don't.
I mean,
do
I used to
chicken.
eat my fish sticks with ketchup, so that's how weird I am.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
What's ever in the big yellow bag?
That's like 3 out of 3 for me. This looks like dog food.
I want it.
It's chocolate filled crackers. Excuse you.
I want it. Let's have. Hey, Billy.
They're called pillows.
I want it in my mouth.
Oh my gosh. I would eat this as cereal.
I would too.
Or just buy the handful.
It's really good.
It's like croutons for a dessert salad. No, I need to stop though. Because I want to try more. What is this? It's egg cracklet. Egg and creamy taste. I don't know. Oh. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this. No. Okay.
These Philippines like their packaging.
It doesn't smell like anything. I'm scared to eat it though. This doesn't look appetizing. I'm scared.
Reminds me of a fortune cookie.
It's not anything, but it's really dry.
It literally tastes like nothing. It's like soft though. It's kind of weird.
I don't think I like this. I mean, it's like a fortune cookie without sugar, but thicker. It's like a stale fortune cookie. Fortune. A stale fortune cookie. That's what this is. I don't know.
It's like something that I would eat with like cheese and dips and shit.
This would be good with. Ooh, that would be good with some like cheese fondue, or like yeah. Okay. Well, I'll probably eat these later. This might be good with Chick-fil-A sauce. No, my stepmom makes some homemade Chick-fil-A sauce. If you know what Chick-fil-A is, and their Chick-fil-A sauce, she has a recipe for it. Tastes just like it. It's heaven. Would highly recommend if you know how to do it. Anyways. Chippy.
Barbecue corn chips.
Yeah, barbecue flavor. Okay, you open this. I'm gonna read about those stupid egg things.
They literally look like freaking Fritos.
Where even are they? Oh. Square-shaped egg crackers are one of the most popular biscuits of the Philippines for some odd reason. They have another one of those pillow things. Are these good?
Yeah, they're like Fritos. But barbecue.
I like the honey barbecue twisty Fritos, except without the honey part. It's just barbecue, and they're not twisty. Oob-filled crackers. What's oob? Oob. Okay. There's like a sticker thingy here. What's this?
Probably like the Oreo packages.
Enriched with vitamin A. It was covered by this little paper thingy. Okay. can open this one too. Oh my god, they're purple.
What?
My favorite color is purple, so like this makes me happy.
The filling's pink.
Is it? I ate 2 packs to find out.
I don't know what the difference is between that and the other one.
The other one's chocolate.
What's this supposed to be?
I don't know. It's not chocolate. Here, I'm gonna find out what that is. It's weird. This unique flavor of pillows, which is, the chocolate one was the original one, I'm guessing. Yeah, semi-sweet chocolate. This one is filled with purple yam. Now I know what purple yams taste like. Okay, well, I probably wouldn't buy this in the store, but if someone had it in their house, I would most definitely eat it. If that makes sense. I think we'll try like maybe 2 more-ish. Ooh. Prima toast.
Premature toast?
Prima toast. Toast that hasn't been fully toasted. Premature toast. Okay. I don't want to break this. There's literally little pieces of bread in there. I said that funny. This is another thing I will not be able to open without the help of sharp things. Don't play with sharp things.
Play with them.
It's bread. It smells like bread.
It's like baby pieces of freaking bread.
This is literally crunchy bread. Did you put the whole thing in your mouth? Are you okay? Don't you dare say a word, Katie. No, this is literally bread though. Like, why is this a thing? Why is this a thing? Katie, you pick something.
I don't know whatever those little itty bitty things are.
These itty bitty things?
Peanut milk chocolate. Chocolate.
I can't find the bread thing. Oh, there it is. Many toast pieces flavored with butter and a hint of, it's literally little crunchy toast pieces. Okay, what is this? Chalk nut. Chalk nut.
I do other places have better chocolate shit than this.
Ooh, ooh. Oh, it's crumbly. Oh my god. It's like, no.
You couldn't get my bag up.
Mm.
10 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
Only thing I really hated was the prawn chip and the egg crackers.
The prawn stuff wasn't that bad.
I don't
And the
like
egg crackers are just boring. Coconut milk, peanuts, and milk chocolate. Wildly popular in the Philippines for very good reason. That is very, very good. I'm so happy that there's 2 more.
I'm good.
Well, not right now. Okay. Nagaraya. I think that's how you say this. They're 0% trans fat and cholesterol original cracker nuts.
I like my Japanese nuts better.
Butter flavored.
Ooh, I want them. Butter.
Oh, I can open this one!
That's a big nut.
Ooh.
Strange.
It is strange. But it's not bad if you just want something crunchy to eat. Like, I don't know. What was that? Oh, much harder. Wrong page. It's literally the same thing that it was in Japan, except different. Peanuts covered in a crunchy wheat shell and available in many flavors. Ooh. I would eat this. If I wanted like peanuts but something crunchy, I would. This would be good. This is really weird stuff. Ooh, more garlic stuff.
No thanks. Oh, I thought it was the same thing. Corn.
No. Boy Bawang. Cornet. Bawang. It's a boy Bawang. I don't even know. Bigger, tastier, crunchier.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. Let's just. Yeah.
Scissors.
Let's just go. Let's just. Ooh. It's corn kernels. Ooh. That's really good. Give me this. I would. Oh. It got a smoky feeling to it. Like,
Yeah.
yeah. It's like if you took corn kernels and covered them in garlic and then, like, made them into popcorn without making them pop so they're crunchy. That makes no sense, but it makes sense. Like, look. That's just little corn kernels. I don't know. They're good, though. There's more stuff in here to try. I possibly will not make another video, but I might because there's not much stuff in here left. But that's all I gotta do today. But yeah, Philippines.
Dropping scissors is logical too.
Philippines. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, do whatever it is the heck you guys do when you're bored and watch my channel because, yeah. On my previous video, I put the information for my Twitter and my Instagram. Yeah.
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 Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, thanks for watching. I said yeah like 4 times, but it's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay, bye.